Welcome back to Jody Does It All. Today we're going to teach you how to make jalebi. What you're going to need is 250 ml self-rising flour, 250 ml of water, 125 ml of yogurt. Mix them all together in a bowl until it's nice and smooth. Once your mixture is nice and smooth, now you can add some orange coloring to get the perfect color that you desire. Once properly mixed, we can wrap it with cling wrap and let it sit for 15 minutes, and in the meantime, we're going to start with the sugar syrup. For the sugar syrup, we're going to need 3 cups of sugar and 1.5 cups of water. What we're going to do, we're going to put it into a deep pot on medium heat and let it boil, and then continue for about 10 to 15 minutes until we get a single string consistency. For the flavor of the syrup, we're going to add a few cardamom pods and we're going to leave it to boil. Thereafter, we're going to add 10 to 15 ml of lemon juice and we're going to leave it to boil until we get to a single string consistency. 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to keep testing the sugar syrup and see if it coats back our metal spoon. We're going to take a bit of the syrup between our fingers and we're going to test if a single string is formed and pull our fingers apart. Now how the single string is between my fingers. There you have it. So now you take the pot off the stove and leave it to cool down for a bit. Now we're going to check our mixture and we're going to pour it into a squeeze bottle. But if your mixture is too runny, add about 60 ml of corn starch and mix it and let it sit for another 15 minutes to settle. Put the stove on a medium-high heat and pour oil into a frying pan, not too deep. This will ensure that you can get more accurate shapes when you're squeezing in the shape of your jalebi. Squeeze bottle. Now squeeze in your jalebi in circular motion and ensure that you fry it until it's nice and crisp so that you can flip it to fry on the other side. Once this is done, then you put it directly into the sugar syrup that you've made. Ensure that the sugar syrup is still a bit warm so that it can soak up into the jalebi and get a nice shiny finish. amazing jalebi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have tons of new videos coming out soon. Don't forget, we'll be doing some chana magaj and burfi soon. So catch us guys on YouTube. Jody does it all. Don't forget, like, subscribe guys. Keep well.